Welcome to STEM Club. In this week's STEM Club, we are investigating poo. Now, we're not going to look at real poo, we're going to make our own. But we can use this to learn how scientists look at poo and discover about what people used to eat a long time ago. To begin to make your ancient poo, you will need a bowl of flour, so 2 cups of flour, a cup of salt, a tablespoon of oil. You will also need a brown beef stock cube and some warm water. You will also need some seeds and some vegetable skins as well. You might also like a plate and a lolly stick so that you can do some investigating with your poo once you've made it. To start, we are going to make our poo. So we're going to add some salt to our flour, and we are also going to add a tablespoon of oil and then mix all of that together. If you would like to know how poo is actually made in your digestive system, you can do that experiment as well if you haven't already, if you watch our previous STEM Club video looking at how we make poo in our digestive system. However, this week we're focusing on the poo itself. Next, you want to dissolve a stock cube in some warm water, so that's our beef stock, which is going to give our poo a nice brown colour, so very realistic. I'm going to add that slowly to our flour to make our poo. I'm just going to add some brown paint to this to make it a slightly darker colour. Don't eat this. And now I've added paint, it's definitely not edible. Once you've got a nice dough-like substance, a bit like poo, you can roll it into a shape, and this is just looking just like a poo now, with a bit of flour on top. And so we've made our poo shape, and then what you're going to do is add some of your mixture of seeds and vegetables and press that into your pooey mixture. So I'm just going to then roll that up again. And these are all the parts that don't get digested by the body, so that's why they come out the other end. And seeds, that can happen to quite a lot because obviously birds eat seeds and then they disperse their seeds, so it's actually used for seed dispersal. Never thought I'd show everybody my poo, but here it is. Here's the poo I've made. So here's our lovely poo, ancient poo we have made. And then you can have a look. So you could make it like this, you could make it for your friends, you can make it for each other. And then, just like a scientist, you can investigate the poo to see what things you can find inside it. So, oh, we've got a seed already. To see what they used to eat in ancient times. So you'll have to work out where the seeds are from. So see if you can work out where that seed is from, to work out what kind of things people have been eating. Oh, here's a big bit of undigested food. That looks a bit like an orange peel there. I wonder if it's an orange or a clementine. So maybe we'll find some orange seeds in here as well. And you can just investigate and have lots of fun, just like scientists do when they're studying ancient poo. Thank you so much for joining us today as we have looked at poo and all the different types of things you might find inside ancient poo to show you what people used to eat in the past. This is one of many brilliant experiments you can find on the Twinkl website, and so you can find more things to follow this up, and we look forward to seeing you next time for more STEM fun. That was disgusting.